Srila Prabhupada gave some very beautiful conceptions and meanings of the Maha Mantra. And he himself said in 1972, people generally ask me, what is the meaning of chanting the Hare Krishna mantra? To answer them, we say that chanting Hare Krishna mantra means immediately you're directly and personally associating with Bhagavan Sri Krishna. By chanting Hare Krishna mantra, you are directly associating with Krishna. If you chant the Hare Krishna mantra without any offense, then immediately you will contact Krishna. October 22nd, 1972. Chanting Hare Krishna means meeting Krishna, seeing Krishna, being directly with Krishna. In one of his famous books titled Teachings of Lord Kapila, based on Srimad Bhagavatam, Kapila Shiksha, 3rd canto, in chapter 14, verse 32, Srila Prabhupada comments, the Hare Krishna Mahamantra begins with Hare. Hare means, O Radharani, O Hare, O energy of Krishna. Since the evocative case Hare is being used, it means we are addressing Radharani. So when we are calling or addressing or calling out to Radharani, Hare, 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 O Radhe, O Radhe, O Radhe, then naturally Radharani will respond by saying, yes, what do you want? Then we will answer, O Radharani, please engage me in your service. When Radharani hears us in the vocative case, calling out her name, Hara, Hara, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, it means, O Radhe, O Radhe. Radharani has ears everywhere, and she is everywhere, and she's hearing the sadhaka, the Hare Krishna japa person, calling out her name. Yes, I hear you. So, what do you want? And what does the sadhaka say? What do you say when Radharani asks you that question? When Radharani replies to your calling out? When you say, Hare, Hare, O Radhe, Radhe, and Radharani turns your way, and she looks at you with her beautiful, compassionate eyes and sweet, gentle smile, and says, yes, what do you want? Then with a big smile on your face, and your eyes beaming with surrender and humility, you should say, please, Radha, please engage me in your service. A very beautiful meaning of one word from the Maha Mantra by Srila Prabhupada.